Welcome to our video tutorial on Electro, a powerful Shopify theme designed for the best user experience and the most intuitive display of your product information. In this video, we will delve into the combination of Metafield, Metaobject, and their usage in ElectroTheme. As you can see, if you use a Metafield to input additional information for products, you have to fill in each value separately. For instance, when presenting manufacturer details like their name and logo, manually filling out each Metafield for every product can be time-consuming. Thankfully, we can streamline this process by using metaobjects. So what is metaobject? Metaobject is a type of metafield value that allows you to create a more complex and structured data format. Now, I will show you how to create a metaobject to use it in Electro Shopify theme. Access your Shopify admin, navigate to Settings, and choose Custom Data. From there, select Products. Next, click on Add Definition to add a new definition for the product metafield. I will add manufacturer for example. For the type, I will choose metaobject and add definition for it. Each metaobject consists of a unique name and a set of subfields, where you can define the specific data you want to include. For instance, the name could be manufacturer, and subfields may include manufacturer name and logo. For logo, I need to upload image, so I will choose the field as file. When you're done, click on Save. The next step is to create entries for that metaobject. Simply input the name and file for each field. I will do a quick demo for you. Let's use Trend Crafters as an example for manufacturer name, and upload the logo using the file field. And the second one is Fashion Fusion. All done for setting up metaobject. Back to the Metafield section, please remember the namespace custom and the key manufacturer. Afterward, you will need to include this metafield in each product. Click on a specific product, then scroll down, and choose the entry for the metafield manufacturer. You can follow a similar process for other products. Open the ElectroTheme editor. Input the namespace in theme setting. And access product specification to add the key manufacturer in the Metafield key box. And all the relevant information will be displayed. You can apply this metafield and metaobject to sections, like product comparison and featured product list. I'll provide a brief demonstration about the implementation of that metafield in those sections for you. Fantastic! You've successfully completed the process. With Metafields and Metaobjects at your fingertips, you can present your products in Electro Shopify theme in a more organized and user-friendly manner, elevating your online store to new heights of efficiency and sophistication. This is the end of this video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest video. Thanks for watching.